Greetings traders, it is Friday, June 15th, 2018, and I decided to stay home this Friday night, so it's Friday night to me here. Let's see what time it is. It is 8:27 p.m. to me on Friday night, which is ahead of the USA, obviously. Anyway, I am going to get started trading here shortly. I'm looking for a code 2 trade that was called out within my charting service before it would ever even happen. As soon as it shows itself, I'm going to take the trade and I'll come back and show it to you. Okay, I've got a short position here. It's dropping out already. It's already going to hit my 25 ticks. It just dropped out like, a second after I took the position. What is it bottoming out at? 22. My exit's at 20. It's going to keep on going here. I'm going to increase the exit. Hang on, stand by. Let me take a look at what's going on. Yeah, let me increase the exit here. 25. You know what? I'm just going to go with the 25. Make it a nice, easy, quick day. High on the mathematics. I took the exact trade I said I was going to take within the charting. We're good to go here. Okay. So out for 25 ticks. That was a really super fast trade. Maybe if we go take a look at the 1 minute, you can see it just dropped out. I basically took a trade right. I don't know what my exact entry was, but as soon as I took the entry, it just completely dropped. Anyway, easy trade, easy day. All of my charting members, you had to be quick. It couldn't be slow right there, or you'd have missed it. But you should have caught the trade. It did exactly what I said it was going to do, or I did exactly what I said it was going to do because I thought it would do that, and it did exactly that. So there's really no substitute for the codes, and there really is no substitute for the charting service. Now, if you didn't want to pay me $300 a month to do the charting service, if you're going to trade code 2, you need to do it yourself. It's as simple as that. You just need to do it yourself so that you can see these things so easily over and over, which gives you the opportunity to make good money. I should have went for more. Let's see, what does the daily look like? I should have went for a lot more. I made a big mistake right there, only going for 25 ticks. Oh well. I'm not going to kill myself over it. But there are times like that where you really should go for it, and I should have went for it. Anyway, easy day though. Lots of money to be made out there in the oil market. Lots of money to be made with oil trading. Lots of money to be made by doing the charting. Oh, I can't watch it anymore. Just kidding. Anyway, I'll be back next week on Monday. Hope all of you charting subscribers nailed the trade and your code traders are doing well. Code 1 working good. I will have a great weekend, everyone, and I will see you next week. Happy trading out there.